a stunning collaboration between Overmind Associates and Safari Center Naivasha, the vibrant world of Matatu Graffiti art was brought to life in the heart of Naivasha. Led by the visionaries at Overmind, this project was not just an initiative, it was a celebration of Kenya's rich art and culture. In September 2024, the directors at Safari Center Mall in Naivasha sought to ignite a cultural revolution by engaging 5 of Kenya's most talented Matatu Graffiti artists. Haj bin Haj, Cliff Khalifa, Zero Customs, Ronnie Hills, and Martin Swix, each infusing their own unique visual style and narrative into their artworks. The journey began with meticulous planning and resource acquisition. From sourcing 18-gauge stainless steel to late-night welding sessions, the team spared no effort in ensuring that the artworks would stand the test of time. The stage was set for a monumental display of creativity and talent. The graffiti artists, known for their iconic work on Nairobi's hottest matatus, wasted no time in breathing life into their concept. Each artist worked on their own unique concept that would adorn them all. The concepts featured diverse themes, including depictions of Luanda Magere fighting an elephant, celebrating African women and beauty, showcasing the Maasai women and culture, portraying feminine folklore with a hero and an eagle, and exploring Kenya's diverse geography, from the coast to the wonderful savannas. Each of the artists poured their souls into each stroke, transforming the blank canvases into vibrant masterpieces. As the first day came to an end, the Pelican Lodge provided a sanctuary for the tireless team to rest and rejuvenate before embarking on yet another day of artistic magic. On the second day, the graffiti artists shared their progress all day, each vision coming to life. The progress unfolded before the eyes of an eagerly awaiting public. The audience also contributed their signatures to part of the artworks. A few days later, the artworks were installed in the mall's front area, ensuring that each piece was securely anchored for all to marvel at. The mall was soon transformed into a gallery of African art and a testament to the power of collaboration and vision. Each masterpiece tells a story and inspires a world of imagination. And the nation took notice as Citizen TV highlighted the project, catapulting the Matatu Graffiti artist and Safari Center into the national spotlight.
Na kama njia moja ya kukuza vipaji, vijana wenye talanta katika sanaa ya uchoraji walishiriki maonyesho ya uchoraji yaliyoandaliwa mjini Naivasha, kaunti ya Nakuru. Washiriki wakisema sanaa hiyo hutumika kama njia moja ya kukuza talanta na utamaduni, pia kuunganisha jamii kupitia ujumbe wao wa graffiti. Wito ukitolewa kwa serikali kutambua na kuwezesha vijana katika sanaa ya uchoraji kama kazi. Hafla hiyo ya siku mbili iliyowaleta pamoja wasanii maarufu ambao pia huchora graffiti kwenye matatu za mjini kando na wasanii wengine ili kuonyesha umahiri wao.
Tunashukuru sana, at least tuko na hiyo freedom, at least Kenya tumepatiwa freedom ya kuji-express as an artist, na hii pia ni job creativity, because whatever we are doing, kuna wale upcoming wana admire what we are doing, and eventually wanakuja wakiwa na hopes.
And we celebrate graffiti, especially Matatu Graffiti art, because it's a vital and a legitimate form of art.
Since then, the public's overwhelming support and appreciation has further solidified the project's success and impact. Today, Safari Center stands as a beacon of creativity and culture in Naivasha, where the vibes of Kenya's finest artists live on in captivating displays thanks to an initiative and the leadership of Safari Center, the collaborative efforts of Overmind Associates, and the talented Matatu Graffiti artists involved. So stop over next time and experience a fusion of arts and culture at Safari Center.